President Trump campaigned on a bold vision for America, a vision that resonated deeply with millions of Americans who felt left behind. He promised to shake up the establishment, secure the border, and put America first. The American people listened, rallying behind his message of change and renewal. They elected him not once but twice to enact this vision, believing in his commitment to transform the nation. Yet from day one, a formidable opponent emerged: the judiciary, a branch of government that wields significant power. Judges, often appointed by previous administrations, have consistently stood in the way of the people's will, blocking President Trump at every turn, regardless of the mandate given by the voters. This is not justice. It is judicial activism run amok, undermining the democratic process. These judges, often with lifetime appointments, operate with little accountability to the American people, making decisions that affect millions without facing the electorate. They seem more interested in imposing their own political agendas than upholding the Constitution, twisting the law to fit their personal beliefs. This is not a matter of legal interpretation, it is a blatant power grab, a usurpation of the people's voice. The very foundation of our republic, the balance of power, is under threat. If left unchecked, this judicial overreach could erode the core principles of our democracy. The pattern is undeniable. From the very beginning of his presidency, President Trump faced a barrage of legal challenges that seemed to obstruct his every move. Whether it was his efforts to control illegal immigration, defund sanctuary cities, or strengthen border security, or enact travel bans from terror-prone regions, his administration was met with fierce opposition. President Trump faced constant legal challenges. These challenges were not just minor setbacks, they were significant roadblocks. Judges issued nationwide injunctions, halting policies before they even had a chance to be implemented. This judicial interference was unprecedented. Take, for example, President Trump's executive order barring federal funding for sanctuary cities. This was a bold move aimed at ensuring public safety. This common-sense measure, designed to protect American citizens from dangerous criminals, was seen as a necessary step by many. However, it was immediately challenged in court and blocked by a single unelected judge. This action raised many eyebrows. This is a clear example of judicial overreach, where the judiciary substitutes its own judgment for that of the democratically elected president. Such actions undermine the will of the people. The constant legal battles and injunctions created a pattern of obstruction that defined much of President Trump's tenure in office. The Founding Fathers, in their wisdom, designed a system of checks and balances. The legislative branch makes laws, the executive branch enforces them, and the judicial branch interprets them. Nowhere in the Constitution does it give judges the power to overturn the will of the people expressed through their elected representatives. Yet this is precisely what we are witnessing today. Judges, emboldened by their lifetime appointments and fueled by their own political biases, are acting as a super legislature, striking down laws and policies they personally disagree with. This is not democracy, it is judicial tyranny. Section 4. A Congress asleep, the legislative branch abdicates. The question arises, where is Congress in all of this? The legislative branch, with its power of impeachment and budgetary control, has the tools to rein in an out-of-control judiciary. Yet, we have seen a dereliction of duty, a shameful silence from those who should be standing up for the Constitution and the will of the people. This inaction has only emboldened the judiciary, allowing them to become increasingly brazen in their activism. The balance of power has been disrupted, and the very future of our republic is at stake. Section 5. The Supreme Hope, restoring balance to the force. However, a glimmer of hope remains: the Supreme Court. This institution, with its long history of upholding justice, stands as a beacon of hope in turbulent times. With a strong conservative majority, the highest court in the land has the opportunity to restore balance to our government. This balance is crucial for maintaining the integrity of our democratic system. The Supreme Court must uphold the President's authority to execute the laws and protect the interests of the American people. This responsibility is not just a duty, but a cornerstone of our republic. We, the people, must be vigilant. Our vigilance ensures that our voices are heard and our rights are protected. We must hold our elected officials accountable and demand they fulfill their oaths to defend the Constitution. This accountability is the bedrock of our democracy. We must not allow unelected judges to usurp the will of the people and subvert our democracy. The power must remain with the people, as intended by our founding fathers. The future of our nation hangs in the balance. It is up to us to ensure that balance is maintained for generations to come.